How high can we go? It's already 71 at noon in November.
I was thinking, I know we broke one record easily already this month. Just one?
Well, no, you're thinking October.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, last month.
Yeah, 2 in October. But
recently,
right?
we have a chance.
We have
for
a chance
one?
against it. You say there's a chance.
I think you think it's a definite.
I mean, it's almost a shoo-in that we're going to tie it. If we're at 71 right now, all we have to do is rise 3 degrees. And we're still about 3 hours away from the peak of the day, the afternoon temperature. So 71 over at Metro Airport, 70 in Ann Arbor. We have 69 in Lapeer and 72 in Monroe. But don't stare at that camera too long. It's shaking. It might make you a little woozy. That's because those winds are whipping out there. We'll talk more about the winds in a second. Let's talk about the record books first. Forecasting 76 for the afternoon high. Even if we come up shy of that, let's say 74, we tie the record that was set back actually many years ago. The last time we hit it was 2022, but we've hit 74 3 times at Metro Airport over the years. So we only have to hit 74 to tie it. If we get to 75, we break it, and 76, well, then we're just overachieving. But average is 53. So regardless, we are likely going to be at least 20 degrees above average today. Current wind gusts are around 30 miles per hour as we take you through that wind gust forecast, about 30 to 40 miles per hour this afternoon. And then showing you as we head into Wednesday, those winds will pick up a little more into the afternoon too. Not as gusty as today, but still on the breezy side Wednesday. We have a secondary cold front that comes through late Wednesday, so it's going to keep us on the windier side, but 20 mile per hour wind gusts for the later part of your Wednesday. But let's talk Tuesday first. Today, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy. Rain chances start to creep in as we get after sunset, and we'll be falling into the 60s at that point, but still a mild night ahead. So ExactTrack 4D showing that we are dry across southeast Michigan, just contending with some of that cloud cover and the winds. Now an hour-by-hour look at what we have moisture-wise. Some of that rain starts to creep into our western counties, Livingston, Washtenaw counties, maybe as early as 7 p.m. That will break apart a little bit as it pushes eastward, but we'll have some scattered isolated showers 8 o'clock onward. At that point, polls are closing, and then as we have the heavier rain rolling through, that's closer to midnight tonight, and we'll likely be out of here well before daybreak tomorrow. This is a snapshot at 4 a.m. where we're drying things out. Still some clouds hanging around, and we'll get a few breaks in those clouds as we progress throughout the day. So tonight, 53 with the rain early, otherwise mild and windy. Come tomorrow, even though we have a cooler air mass building in behind this front, we're still above average by about 10 degrees. 64 for the afternoon high, and we'll peel back that cloud cover into the afternoon. Let's talk the tropics because we are tracking Tropical Storm Rafael moving to the northwest at 13 miles per hour with sustained winds at 60. Putting that tracker on for you, you can see it's going to strengthen and likely make landfall in the afternoon tomorrow on the western edge of Cuba as a Category 1 hurricane, pushing off into the Gulf, and is still expected to weaken in the Gulf, but the latest track has this pushing more so towards Louisiana, so it will impact the Gulf states as we get in the later part of the weekend, and we'll continue to update you on that. We cool off to either side of 60 as we round out the work week and head into the weekend. We'll get a little sunshine mixing in there. Rain chances return Sunday, partly cloudy and 60 for Veterans Day.